Yeah guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bring back the status vertical style on WhatsApp LaTeX app to our horizontal. So let's go dive in. Now the first thing is we're going to open our WhatsApp. Okay, now so this is our WhatsApp now. What I'm talking about is this is our status now. You can see our status is on vertical, so I want to make it horizontal. You can see. So what we're going to do is let me show my tab. Now is what we're going to do is we look at this thing. This is on my channel here. If you want to bring back your status to be horizontal, you have to unfollow all this channel. Let's dive in. Click on this one, click on this three menu button, click on unfollow, unfollow. Now you go back, the next one, this three menu button, unfollow. Yeah, you unfollow it, the next one. Just repeat all the steps to unfollow all your channel. You can follow them back. Just unfollow all your channel. And guys, let's see, this is what I'm talking about. You can say my WhatsApp status is now back to vertical horizontal. Sorry, it's now back to horizontal. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, subscribe.